Hello friends. Today's session I'm going to share with you a technique that's very well known. You may have even practiced it before. It's a bit confusing because some people call this the fire breath. Some people refer to another technique as the fire breath. Sanskrit word is Kapalbhati. I call it the fire breath because there is a pumping action in the abdomen and the navel center. The Manipura chakra is a source of action and achievement and doing. So that's why that's the fire center. It's also referred to as the skull cleaning or the skull cleansing breath because it does have a way of really kind of burning away your thoughts. So very, very useful if you are in a state of overwhelm, if your thoughts are all over the place, if you want to just clear your mind before you do something or before you meditate, this is one of the best techniques available to you. So to begin, find your seat and close down the eyes and see if you can arrive immediately into your awareness. Checking that your spine is nice and straight and tall, head is level. Feeling the counteracting forces of gravity pulling your sit bones down, while imagining there is a little invisible string at the top of your head that is pulling your spine straight. Counteracting forces, and in between is relaxation. Check that you have not tensed anything up. Relaxing the shoulders and the legs. Unclench your jaw. Relax your eyes, your forehead. And tune in to your breath. Gently observing the path of the breath through the inhalation and exhalation. No effort to control it at this time. We are simply watching. Be the witness. Okay, good. You can open your eyes and watch me while I show you what we'll do. First, you might want to clear out your nostrils because we're going to breathe through the nose. So maybe get a tissue and clear it out, or just check that you don't got any boogers and you're not stuffed up. Good, no boogers on camera this time. I'm good. So what we're going to do is focusing on the exhalation through the nostrils. We're going to forcefully exhale, and we'll allow the inhale to happen by itself. And you'll want to pump your abdomen. You'll have this pumping sensation. It looks like this. So the belly's moving in with each forceful exhalation, and then it reflexively expands with the inhalation. So almost pretend like you're not inhaling, just allow that to happen automatically. So let's do this together let's do 30 to start out with. So everybody inhale together, exhale out, and then your next inhale, begin. Good. And close down the eyes for a moment and observe how you feel. And this technique especially may make you feel some tingling sensations around the face and the head. As the breath cleanses your skull, reducing your thoughts. Settling the muddied waters of the mind so that the dirt and particles sift to the bottom and the water becomes clear. The muddied lake becoming clear. Okay, let's go for a second round. This time let's do 50, but faster. Here we go, inhale together. Exhale out. And let's begin after the inhale. Good. Relax and close down the eyes again, resuming natural breath. Being with the sensations. Keeping yourself relaxed and loose. Observe what's happening. There are thoughts, allow them to float through. And if you do get lost in thought, just look at the thought itself. Don't follow it on, just look at that one thought, and if you focus on it long enough, it will disappear. let's get ready for the third round. Let's go for 70, and we'll do it even faster than last time. So inhaling together. Exhale to empty. And let's begin on the inhale. Relax, inhale, and exhale. Close down the eyes. Drift in this inner space. Feel the sense of expansion. Things slowing down. See if you can resolve your body's sensation into a cloud of sensation that isn't attached to particular body parts. If you can just become the sensations in a cloud. Floating along with your breathing. Okay, gently open your eyes. And that is the fire breath. I hope that was clear for you. You can play with different numbers of rounds. You can play with different speed and intensity. I tried to give you 3 different types of speed that you can work with here, but just do it on your own. Do what feels good. Slower, faster, whatever will depend on the day. Just play with it, experiment. And I will see you here for another session. Have a great day.